welcome back to my channel. So today I got a box from Causebox. Now this one was purchased by me. It was not sent to me by Causebox. I actually purchased their full 1-year membership, so I'm an annual member now after I tested it out last year. And this is the winter 2020 box. I think it's supposed to count as the 2020 box. I mean, we are in mid-February, but I did read on their website they were having some delays due to COVID, which I mean, I can completely understand. I mean, everything's been shut down, lots of things are happening, so I'm definitely not gonna hold it against them about the shipping. I'm just happy to have finally gotten my box. I'm very excited. I almost honestly forgot I was getting this box and what I chose inside of it because it's been so long. I think I chose it back in November, so it's been a few months. But yeah, let's get into the deets real fast about this box. So the Causebox here, let me pull up my notes. It is $54.95 per the box if you are just a box-to-box member. If you're an annual member, you're gonna be able to get the box for $49.95. That's about, you know, like 200 bucks per year. The huge benefit that you get with being an annual member, and the reason I actually decided to upgrade, aside from the savings, you do start to get to make choices. For the box-to-box members, you don't get to make any selections. They are made for you by Causebox. If you upgrade to that annual membership, you will then start to be able to pick out certain items between some choices. So that's why I decided to go for it. And then of course, inside the box, you are supposed to receive 6 to 8 products. They can be anything from jewelry, home decor, accessories, apparel, skincare, beauty products, and they also include some artwork. But yeah, that's all the deets about the Causebox here, and yeah, I can't wait to get into it and see what we got in here. So, need to get my baby scissors, and just cut all this tape. And I'm in! Woo! So here's a little sneak peek. I had a pamphlet fall here, a how to win a free annual membership. They got a really pretty design inside their box this season. That's a cute drawing. And then we got like a pamphlet magazine here. Oh, they do claim that this is supposed to be the winter 2021 box. Okay, so not 2020. But in here, it lists all the products in the box. It gives a artist highlight. And then it has some other good articles in here too that you can read through. All right, but let's go ahead and begin with our first item. Choice number 1 here. There was the option of the Thread and Supply Cozy Cloud Wrap, $115 value. And second, there was a Rose and Fitzgerald Brushed Gold Kettle, a $98 value. Only 2 choices for that first one, and I chose, can you guess? The Rose and Fitzgerald Kettle. Let's break into this one, see what she looks like. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but it's actually really cute. This part's a little bit loose, but it looks like I can tighten it with just a flat tip, I think. Oh yeah, I can even tighten it a little bit by hand. So yeah, I'll just need to tighten this one down here because the hardware is coming loose. But it's a pretty little kettle. I actually don't really need one of these. I use an electric kettle, but I couldn't help myself. I was thinking this would be kind of a cute decor piece in the kitchen. I don't know if anybody else is the same way with your kitchen. You're just like, ooh, I want that, but as decor. So yeah, I could not resist. I've been really enjoying the all gold look lately. But that was our first item here, so let's go on our second choice now. And again, like the first, the second choice only had 2 options. So the first was the Activated Eco Reusable Silicone Baking Sheets, a $18 value. And the second was the Boon Supply Reusable Zip Pouches, $22 value. Now I got reusable baking sheets in my last FabFitFun box, so I was like, you know what, let me get those zip pouches. So that's what I got, because I actually don't have any of these. And these are supposed to completely replace the Ziploc bags because they are completely reusable. Here's just like a closer look at it. Got a few different sizes. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in different sizes. Definitely a very convenient item and I think really good for the environment. Product number 3 in the box. This was not a choice item. This was only one option of what Causebox put inside the box for every single member, I'm assuming, since there's no options here. And that was this guy. This is the Skin & Co. Aroma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. A $30 value. Immediately I recognize this brand. We've gotten it in BoxyCharm before. The Truffle Therapy Gommage Scrub. I just love saying that word. I did really enjoy that one, so maybe this one will be good too. It is just their face toner. It's got truffle in it, calendula rose, rosemary, that are supposed to remove the dead skin cells, the bacteria, and prevent future breakouts while boosting the skin with antioxidants. Okay. Now, the fourth one, here again we got some choices. So the first one was gonna be the True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish, a $34 value. The second was the Sanctuary Project Thick Gold Hoops, a $38 value. And third, the Zeo Living Marble Geo Coasters, $42 value. And I actually believe they put the wrong item in the box here, because this was not the one I chose. They gave me the Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish, but I remember I chose the Marble Coasters. Maybe they ran out, or maybe they got confused. I will definitely send them an email about that. I mean, I'll give you guys the deets about this one since it's the one I got, but we'll see what happens with that. I'll keep you guys updated. But this one is an exfoliating body scrub. It's got coffee and moringa oil in it. So you can detoxify, scrub away the dead skin cells while you're in the shower. All right, let's go on to choice number 5. Let's keep it moving. So this one had 2 different choices. The first was the Maggie's Organics Heathered Slouchy Socks, a $25 value. The second was the Attitude Travel Beauty Pillowcase, $25 value. This one I felt like was a little bit of an interesting choice. It was a pair of socks or a Silk Beauty pillowcase. I ended up going with a pillowcase just because I was kind of winging it. I wasn't really sure. It felt like a random choice, but let's see how the silk pillowcase feels. So it comes in this little carrying case. Oh, it does feel soft. And it comes with a slip here that says it's made from 100% organic bamboo. Oh, minimal packaging, water and energy saving, responsibly grown, hypoallergenic and chemical free. So a lot of good stuff there. Wow, this feels really soft for being bamboo. That's impressive. But yeah, here's the pillowcase, what it looks like. Looks like it's for just a standard pillow size. And you're supposed to travel with this so that way if you're staying in like a hotel or something, you have your own pillowcase to put over the pillow, make it feel a little fresher. I kind of wish you got a set of 2, but one will work. I'll travel with one whenever we're allowed to travel again, of course. Not gonna be anytime soon. All right, and then now the 6th and final option here. So we got 2 choices. The first one is the Idlewild Co. Yearly Planner, a $32 value. And the second is the Soon Skincare Peony Foot Masks. Oh goodness. I remember I said that flower before and I got roasted. Everyone was making fun of me. Hold on. Oh, no wonder. I said it wrong again.
Peony flower.
Boom.
Peony flowering plant.
Okay, so yeah, I did say it wrong again, but I'm correcting myself now that I know I said it wrong. Oh man, I'm probably gonna pronounce that one wrong every time though. All right, but did I finish that up? $45 value for that one, and I actually ended up going with the foot masks. It's got that flower root extract, green tea extract, and apple extract. And it is a set of 5. And it may be weird, but I actually really love foot masks. I think it's one thing that not a lot of people think, like, oh man, I need to have a foot mask. I need to keep my feet hydrated. Maybe it's weird, but I enjoy it. So that's why I went for the foot masks, because I was like, ooh, let me try these out. I'm definitely gonna slip one on while I start to edit this video tonight. Get my feet nice and hydrated. Gotta take care of those feet. Gotta take care of those feet. And oh, look, we got the matching postcard for this month. Super cute. So this goes with the drawing of the box we got. I mean, honestly, they give some really good drawings with the postcards. You could probably frame these ones and they would look really adorable. But yeah, that was our last item. So actually, let's go ahead and add up the value of all of our items. So my box had a value of $254. I did take the value of the body polish since that's the one I got in the box. I don't know if they'll be sending me the one that I originally chose of the coasters, but we shall see what happens with that one. But that's a good value, I think, for the box. And overall, I did think it was a good winter box. Was it the most exciting list of choices? Not really. The one that kind of had me like, was the socks versus the travel pillowcase. I felt like that was kind of like a boring choice, if I do say so myself. I can't help it. I just, you know, one pillowcase or one pair of socks. It just wasn't the most thrilling. So I think that this box was just a little bit on the safe side, I feel, on the choices. But yeah, that is gonna be my unboxing for the winter 2021 Causebox. Let me know what you guys thought of it down below in the comments section. I love hearing from you guys and what your thoughts were about it. And if you liked today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!